Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video ay narito po tayo para sa ating The Countdown, The Blindcast, the 2025 Christmas Presentation Year 4. And I'm Clark Garcia too, at ibibigay ko po sa inyo ang Top 10 Best OPM Christmas Songs. Christmas is the happiest time of the year. Filipinos celebrate Christmas as early as September. It is the best time to celebrate the blessings that life has to offer. Since Filipinos are known for their love of music, Tagalog Christmas songs are a big part of the holiday celebration. Here are the full list of the best of OPM Christmas songs, ranking from traditional tunes. Here are the top 10 best OPM Christmas songs. Let the countdown begin. At number 10, Christmas in Our Hearts.
Happy holiday.
At number 9, Ang Pasko ay Sumapit. At number 8, Christmas Bonus. At number 7, Kumukuti-Kutitap. At number 6, Paskong Anong Saya. At number 5, Noche Buena. At number 4, Pasko na naman. At number 3, Sa Araw ng Pasko. At number 2, Nagmamasko. At number 1, Star ng Pasko.
Salamat sa liwanag mo, muling makakakulay ang Pasko.
Star ng Pasko is a Filipino language Christmas song produced by ABS-CBN Creative Communications Management or CCM for the network's 2009-2010 Christmas station identification titled Bro, Ikaw ang Star ng Pasko. The song was released on November 4, 2009. Let's take a look once again, the recap of the top 10 best OPM Christmas songs. Let's listen.
Let's sing Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday.
Noche buena sa gabing ito,
At bukas ay araw ng Pasko
na naman o kay tulin ng araw.
Ang Pasko ay kay saya kung kayo'y kapiling na.
Sa may bahay ang aming bati, Merry Christmas.
Kundi ikaw, salamat sa liwanag mo, muling makakakulay ang Pasko.
You've just seen for another edition of The Blindcast. You will also watch this video on Facebook, Instagram, Threads, TikTok, Twitter, and to my official YouTube channel at I'm Clark Garcia too. If you have any suggestions or reactions, don't forget to write down on the comment sections. And I'm Clark Garcia too. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you on our next episode. And God bless us all. Ang The Vlogcast po ay bumabati po sa inyo ng isang maligayang Pasko at masaganang bagong taon. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. December in our hearts on the Bloodcast. Last quarter countdown to 2026. 2,100 YouTube subscribers and counting. The 2025 Christmas Countdown on Smule, Year 8 from September 7 to December 21, 2025. The Bloodcast, my official YouTube channel.